Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can work out on Reddit. Work out, by that I mean how to, do things in Reddit, right? So if I want to upvote this, it's going to ask me to log in, right? If I even want to comment, I'll need to log in or sign up to leave a comment, right? So anything you want to do on Reddit, you need to make sure you're logged in. So you can sign up in the traditional way, or you can just log in and you can just do continue with Gmail, and then you just want to press on that, confirm, and yeah, that's about it. It's going to take you in, and we're just waiting for it, and yeah, that's it. Now, you gotta set up Reddit a bit, right? So I'm just gonna choose myself as a man, and then I'm just gonna choose a topic. For example, I'm into gaming, I'm into FPS a lot. I like technology. I love technology. It's basically my entire life. And anime. I love anime. So I'm gonna choose these three topics, and then I'm gonna press continue. And then it's gonna suggest me some communities I can join, but I just want to join communities regarding anime, right? And maybe I can join. I'll do that later on. So after that, I just want to press on continue. It's gonna ask me to style my avatar. I can do a randomize, even though I told it, alright, I like that. And then with that, we can just press on continue. And yeah, that's it. Now you can upvote, downvote, or remove your vote completely. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.